Greetings, this is Mr. Solomon with another edition of Minecraft EDU for Schools. This episode we're looking at how to use Creatubbles website to import student drawings into Minecraft. So this is the lesson that I introduce to students. We talk about the rules of Minecraft. Students always have to sign in with their number after their name, makes it easier to find. We talk about not destroying things or attacking other players. We're using the old version of Minecraft made by Mojang, so I can use the Creatubbles mod. We go over class rules, and here is our essential question. So students in third grade are studying regions of the US, so we're looking at different landmarks in each region. These are the questions to consider. Students had a plan sheet to fill out. I uploaded several pictures of landmarks so students could see examples. I'll show you that in just a minute. And then we go over the agenda. So this is a 6-day project. So the first day they filled out a plan sheet that goes over the questions of what they're going to draw that we saw up here, the essential questions. Okay, that's what they put on their plan sheet. After that, they start using Pixie. Pixie is a web drawing tool. Let students draw pictures. So I'm going to open up Pixie. You can see an example of that. Then we go over with students what to do on the second time they come through. So on days 4, 5, and 6, they have to check the website to see if they've uploaded their images. I go over screenshots of how to export. This is how to export their drawings that they made in Pixie. Tell them where to save it. Make sure it's on their desktop. Then they go to the Creatubbles website. Students are sharing accounts, so each computer in our lab has 6 different students seeing it throughout the week, one for each grade level, so that's why they use their number. And then we talk about how to use the mod in Minecraft to start constructing it. So if I look at Pixie and I go to File, Open, let me hide Chrome here for a second. I can also click on Project so you can see different projects that I've made. So for third graders, they're designing a landmark. So we looked at pictures in Chrome of different landmarks. This is Independence Hall. Fourth graders, they designed a village, a Native American village. So this all ties into their curriculum. So here's an example of a Native American village made by fourth graders. Fifth graders designed a colonial village. I'm looking for one. I'm just looking for another example of a fourth grade village. So you can see that there's different drawings that students made. They're working in pairs on this, so one group would construct the overhead view, and then the other view would construct the view from the side. So students are seeing 2 different perspectives. One is from above, that's how they're going to design it, and then this one shows what these structures look like when you're building it in Minecraft when you're standing in the game. So then we talk about going to project, how to go to export, come down here, export it to the computer. Okay, I put it on my desktop, and then you can see I already have a Zeke, and now I have Ms. Santos, those are teachers. Now I can get into the website. If I look at our proto page, we have a link to Creatubbles right here on our home page. So students would then add a creation. That's up here. So they add a creation. I click add, I click creation, it's from a file. Students know to navigate to their desktop. There's the picture. Open it. Title is their name. Description is their teacher. It's a digital file. Students then upload it. And click got it. Then the final step in the project, as you can see, if we go back here and check, if they do have theirs on the website, then can open up Minecraft. If not, they have to finish their construction in Pixie. So now if I go into a third grade group, this is our workspace, and I'm going to look at some of the landmarks that third graders have built. So here's how they import their pictures into the game using the creator mod. There's another example. And then if I come over here, this is a nice job. There's a good example of Washington Monument. Here's another group's work. Same type of idea, importing the pictures into Minecraft. And then there's the Washington Monument. Most students chose Washington Monument. A couple did the St. Louis Arch. We're going to go look at that real quick. And then I'll show you how to import these pictures into Minecraft too. So another Washington Monument drawing. Looks like they didn't get quite finished. You can see Minecraft is rendering as I'm going. Not every group has a finished product yet. Check out the next section. These are a large workspace. This is the area I use in Minecraft. It's a 50 by 50 workspace. So here's the St. Louis Arch. Okay, and then if we back up and look, they're starting to construct it. Looks pretty good. I don't see any other constructions here. Let's check one more area out. So I use this workspace for lots of different projects. First, because it has border blocks. Students can't leave their area once they're in it. This is one that's still under construction for Washington Monument. This is my example that I did. So let me show you how to put some of these pictures in. So the first thing you would do is press E for inventory, search, and I search for the creator mod. You can see it's up there. I'll pull it down. Okay. Then I search for paper. Now the trick with paper is to hold the shift key down before you click it, and then you get all 64 sheets. So if I put the mod down on the ground, and then I sign in, I should see Santos 2. There it was. That was the picture I just exported and uploaded to the Creatubbles website. I then go into width and height and make it 10 high and 10 wide. Take all my paper. It says you need 25 sheets. I've got 64. I've got plenty. I then create it. Pull down the new painting. Put the painting in my hand. Right click on the bottom left corner. And then you can see that's how you import drawings into Minecraft. If I look at Google Chrome, it doesn't look like it's open. I'll show you the background that we had first. So that's the end product, is getting those pictures imported into the game using the Creatubbles mod. And then if we look at projects, I have third grade landmark images that I put on Google Drive so students could see samples. So I gave them choices of the Alamo, Independence Hall, Statue of Liberty, St. Louis Arch, Washington Monument. And then if we look at the other links, I gave kids some other websites that they can do some research and find out more. So, more landmarks, they can read more. And then the final link, the top 34 landmarks. So students could use the drawings that I uploaded, or they can choose some of their own landmarks if they want to try to build some of these. So that was our introduction, is doing research, then complete the plan sheet. Okay, so if we go back, complete the plan sheet, start drawing with Pixie, export their drawings, then we check, because there's a delay between days 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3. I see students for 3 days at a time. So then we come back and revisit this. And then you can see it gets built in Minecraft. And that's a great project. We're doing this for 4th graders, creating a Native American village. 5th graders are creating a colonial village. 2nd graders are designing a public park. And 3rd graders were designing U.S. landmarks. Thanks for watching.